Los Angeles Dodgers do it once again here, and they swoop in and get whoever they want every season before the trade deadline. And they make the hugest blockbuster deal we've seen in a long time in Major League Baseball. So the Dodgers get Max Scherzer and Trey Turner, two studs in this deal from the Washington Nationals. And the Nationals fire sale happening here, trading away pretty much all their good players on their roster. So for the Dodgers to land Trey Turner and Scherzer, this team once again, in my opinion, is pretty much a shoo-in in the National League to make it all the way to the World Series. And we said Scherzer was probably going to go to a National League West team, I've been saying the last couple of days here. And it finally came to fruition. Reports came out early in the day that Scherzer was close to a deal for the Padres. But right here, the Dodgers, they put on the full court press and they closed the deal out, and obviously got Trey Turner as well, who's pretty much one of the best players in all of baseball. So right here, the Nats pretty much figured they couldn't sign Turner either, and he wanted out. So they get it two studs here in this deal with the Dodgers, and right now that's a scary team, no doubt about it, especially that starting pitching. But probably Trevor Bauer most likely not coming back, and his teammates not wanting him. Why not? You get Max Scherzer, one of the best pitchers in the last 10 years of Major League Baseball. And the Dodgers, we know they have one of the best farm systems every season pretty much here. And they gave up a lot of good blue chippers in the deal with the Dodgers. But in my opinion, it's definitely worth it, especially for a guy like Trey Turner, who's still young and one of the top 10 players in the Major League. So right here, Max Scherzer, what a season it's been for him. And yesterday he made his last outing with the Washington Nationals. And as usual, he pitched another gem. So on the season for Scherzer, 111 innings, 8-4 record, 147 strikeouts, a 2.76 ERA, and an 0.89 whip with 11 quality starts. And like I mentioned yesterday, versus the Philadelphia Phillies in his last outing, 6 innings, got the win, 5 Ks, a 1.50 ERA, and a 1 whip with a quality start. So obviously Scherzer, he goes out there and he gets the job done. And in my column of recommended guys to buy low and trade for, Max Scherzer was definitely one of them, because I said if he lands with a contender, his wins are going to go up, he's going to go deeper into games, and his juices are going to be flowing trying to win. So right here, this is a big boom for him as far as fantasy baseball goes, because Max Scherzer now, he's on one of the best teams in all of the league. And this Dodger team, I know they're in a tough division, and I know the Giants are in first, but right here, in my opinion, this definitely puts the Dodgers over the top as the best team in the West and the best team in all of Major League Baseball. So a lot of moving parts we've seen so far, and the trade deadline ends today here at 4 o'clock. So Max Scherzer, we saw the reports that he was going to get traded Wednesday or Thursday, and here we go. The Dodgers once again landing a big fish right in time at the trade deadline. So Scherzer, he's going to fit well. He's going to be him, Kershaw, when he comes back in the rotation, Walker Buehler, Danny Duffy, who they traded for. Check that out too, as I talk about that deal where they didn't give up anything at all to get a good lefty starter in Duffy, even though he's on the injured list right now. So right here, what a deal it was, and his fantasy value will skyrocket. Now on to Trey Turner. Trey Turner, he could play anywhere, and the only thing here, where they're going to move Corey Seager, who's coming back from injury, and Turner. So we'll see which one of those guys play shortstops, because both these guys are two great players, and you're not going to have one of them sitting on your bench. So Trey Turner, another monster season, 18 home runs, 49 RBIs, 66 runs scored, 21 stolen bases, a 322 average, and a 369 on base in the last couple weeks before he went on the COVID list. 1 home run, 7 RBIs, 10 runs scored, 2 stolen bases, a 357 batting average, and a 400 on base. So Trey Turner is going to be in the lineup with Corey Seager, Mookie Betts, Cody Bellinger, Max Muncy, Justin Turner. This team is just totally stacked, and I don't know who's going to stop them, in my opinion. The Dodgers, they made the World Series, I believe, now, the last 3 out of 4 seasons here, and this team's prime and ready to win another one, to go back-to-back after winning last season versus the Tampa Bay Rays. And now to add a guy like Trey Turner to your lineup, that just puts you way up there, in my opinion. And it's going to be a fun race in that NL West here, with the Padres Dodgers and Giants, but Dodgers are pretty much a shoo-in unless the Padres make a huge deal in the next couple hours here before the trade deadline. But Trey Turner, his fantasy value is just going to go up from here. He's going to score more runs, in my opinion. They're going to run him loose, stealing more bases, and he's going to hit the ball great as well in Dodger Stadium, where it's a good hitter's ballpark down that left and right field line where we could see him get a few more homers. So this is a slam dunk deal as far as fantasy baseball for both these guys. But both Scherzer and Turner, in my opinion, these guys could play on the moon and still put up huge stats. And now the guys getting in return in this deal, a lot of blue chipper prospects. Joshua Gray, the first one, we've seen him have a cup of coffee so far this season with the Dodgers, and he's a guy that he definitely has upside, and he's most likely, we're going to pencil him in right into that Washington National rotation. Like I mentioned, the Nationals, they've made a lot of deals, and there's a few more guys on the table. I think we could see them trade before the deadline's up. John Lester, I could see him getting traded in a small deal for nothing. So right here, Joshua Gray, he's going to have a rotation spot for this national team the rest of the way. So far in his early career in the major leagues, 8 innings, 13 strikeouts, a 6.75 ERA, and a 1.50 whip. So right here, the Dodgers, I think they were showcasing him a little for a bigger deal, and this is what definitely happened here with them showcasing him and them trading him away. So right here, it's a good landing spot in Washington. This National League East isn't the greatest of divisions, in my opinion. I know the New York Mets are in first, but they haven't made a huge move yet. We'll see if they go out there and get Chris Bryant or another hitter in Javier Baez today. You got the Braves who are banged up. They're trying to win this division. And also the Philadelphia Phillies, who haven't made a move really as well at this trade deadline. But obviously we still got a few more hours, and we'll see what these teams do. But Joshua Gray immediately will be the big prospect out of this deal to go out there and get playing time for this team. And I think we're going to see him start right off the bat, probably over the weekend or Monday or Tuesday. He's going to start for this national team because it's definitely rebuild mode. They traded Schwarber, they traded Daniel Hudson, they traded Brad Hand to the Toronto Blue Jays, and now they trade their two best players possibly in Trey Turner and Max Scherzer. And Strasburg's out for the season. So right here, they just said, we're going to pack it in, trade these guys, and get younger guys like Gray and see what they got for the last 2 months of the season. And that's exactly what's happening here in this deal. But I like the move for Washington. They knew they weren't going to win this season, so they're retooling, and they got a couple decent players in the few deals they've made over the last couple days here. So right here, they got 2 starting pitchers as well. Devon Casey, he's one of their better prospects, and Gerardo Carrillo as well. And Keibert Ruiz, he's the best catching prospect in all of Major League Baseball. But I don't know if he's going to come up right away and be a guy here for the Washington Nationals. But we could see Yan Gomes on the move as well. So right here, Trey Turner and Max Scherzer. This most likely will be the biggest deal of the trade deadline season here. Go to the Los Angeles Dodgers, and once again, the Dodgers get their man in this deal. And we'll see if they can help the Dodgers win a championship for the remainder of the 2021 season.